Welcome to the Allman Product Tutorial Series. My name is Eric Barrett. I'm a marketing specialist for Allman. In this tutorial video, I will cover the operation and how to set up, start, and shut down your Night-Lite GR Series liquid-cooled CM light tower. NLGR liquid-cooled CM setup and start steps. Step 1. Transport the light tower to the work site. Properly and safely position a light tower on a solid level surface. Do not set up the light tower on an incline more than 5%. In areas where ground surface conditions are soft or unstable, the use of outrigger pads is required. Check the site for overhead obstructions such as power lines and trees. Keep in mind the maximum height of the light tower when fully raised. Step 2. Deploy the tongue jack. Remove the jack locking pin, rotate the tongue jack in the operating position. Install the jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and tongue. Unfold the crank handle. Turn the jack handle clockwise to lower the jack foot and raise the front of the light tower trailer. Place an outrigger pad underneath the jack foot when applicable. Disconnect the trailer coupler, harness, and safety chains from the tow vehicle. Step 3. Put wheel chocks against the front and rear of each wheel. Step 4. Move the tow vehicle away from the light tower unit. Step 5. Deploy the outriggers. The unit has left and right outriggers at the rear of the machine. Pull the outrigger locking pin. Move the outrigger out until the pin locks the outrigger in the operating position. Move the stabilizer jack locking pin. Turn the jack in the operating position and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Use outrigger pads underneath the jack feet when applicable. Unfold the handle of the stabilizer jack, then turn clockwise to lower the jack until firmly planted on the worksite surface. Repeat for the opposite outrigger and stabilizer jack. Step 6. Make the light tower trailer level front to back, side to side using the jacks. Step 7. Rotate the light tower. Loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in the desired direction. Tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 8. Adjust each light fixture to the desired position. To adjust left and right, move the fixture yoke. To adjust up and down, open the locking clasp, adjust the light fixture, then close the locking clasp. Step 9. Open the engine compartment cover. Turn the key switch clockwise to run to check the fuel level on the fuel gauge. Add fuel if necessary. Then turn the key switch back counterclockwise to stop. Remove the dipstick from the engine and examine the engine oil level. The engine oil level should be between the full and add marks on the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Check the engine coolant recovery bottle. Keep the engine coolant in the recovery bottle near the full mark. Replenish as necessary. Step 10. Operating the engine. The light tower is equipped with a key start switch for the engine starting operation. Turn the key switch counterclockwise to preheat. Hold for approximately 10 to 20 seconds. Turn the key switch clockwise past run to start. Once the engine starts, release the key switch. It'll automatically return to run. Step 11. After the engine has started, switch the main circuit breaker to the on position to turn on the lights. Step 12. Raising the light tower. The unit may be equipped with a standard manual winch or an optional electric winch to raise the light tower. For manual winch operation, turn the winch handles until the tower is fully raised. Do not overturn the handles. For electric winch operation, press and hold the tower raise switch to the up position until the tower is fully raised. Step 13. Close the engine compartment cover. Step 14. The tower is now in operation for the worksite. For NLGR liquid-cooled CM shutdown steps, Step 1. Open the engine compartment cover. Step 2. Switch the main circuit breaker to the off position to turn off the lights. Step 3. Shut down the engine. Turn the key switch counterclockwise to stop. Step 4. Wait 10 minutes for the lights to cool. Step 5. Lower the light tower. Again, the unit may be equipped with a standard manual winch or an optional electric winch to lower the light tower. For manual winch operation, turn the winch handles until the tower is fully lowered, but do not overturn the handles. For electric winch operation, press and hold the tower raise switch in the down position until the tower is fully lowered. Step 6. Rotate the light tower to the transport position. Loosen the light tower rotation locking knob. Use the handles to rotate the light tower in the transport position. Tighten the light tower locking knob. Step 7. Adjust the light fixtures to the transport position. Turn the light fixtures near the rear of the unit. Step 8. Make sure that the engine compartment cover is closed and latched. Step 9. Retract the outriggers. Fully lift the stabilizer jack foot by turning the jack handle counterclockwise. Fold the jack handle. Remove the stabilizer jack locking pin. Turn the jack in the transport position and install the stabilizer jack locking pin fully through the top and bottom holes of the jack and outrigger. Pull the outrigger locking pin. Move the outrigger until the pin locks the outrigger in the transport position. Do the same for the other stabilizer jack and outrigger. Step 10. Remove the wheel chocks. Step 11. The unit is now ready for transport. For more information on your Night-Lite GR Series liquid-cooled CM unit, scan the QR code near the control box to access the product operations webpage on the Allman website.